Hi! Today we're going to be showing you the Thunder Junction All Abilities Park. Hi, I'm Sharee Harris with Fathom Realty Network in St. George, Utah. And today I'm sharing with you one of our favorite parks, the Thunder Junction All Abilities Park. Now this is just off of the Dixie Drive exit on Dixie Drive. And not only is it one of our favorites, but just a favorite in the community and people that come visit. So it's often really busy. But if you go first thing in the morning, it's a little bit easier to get around to all the different activities and to play in the water. So it opens at 9 a.m. I think pretty well year-round, and then it closes around dark. So I think that varies a little bit throughout the year. But it's so fun. We have a train that takes you around the park. It's just a short ride. That's $1. The park itself is free, but it has this like themed environment and you feel like you should have paid to get in. So it's kind of fun. And something unique about this park is that it's wheelchair accessible. So they have kind of the soft ground covering so they can get around on their wheelchairs. And they've just made a lot of the swings or activities here accessible by wheelchair. So it's fun for a lot of children or even adults who would never get the chance. So I also love that I can actually go on a lot of the swings and slides and stuff and enjoy it with my kids. They have a fun splash pad area for these really hot days. And it's just got this fun dinosaur tropical theme going on. If you're visiting this park during the summer, it can get really hot. So for your safety and your family's safety, I would recommend coming like first thing in the morning or in the evening just as the sun is setting so that you avoid just the heat of the day. Some of the playground equipment can get a little hot. They do some awesome shade awnings that help with that, but I still would just recommend avoiding the heat of the day. If you are thinking about relocating to this beautiful area, I have a relocation guide to help you out. The link is below.